Let me go to the next one, the fourth lesson. The fourth lesson is really about how we prioritize some use cases that are critical to have success. In the past, I think that most financial inclusion efforts have been focused on face-to-face use cases, mostly those about doing grocery purchases in small mom and pop stores called changarros in Mexico, pulperias in Costa Rica. Every country has a different name for these small stores that really serve small communities, particularly in the grocery stores. Although that's a very important use case that has been targeted by some of the new technologies for dongles that work with a smartphone, and payment aggregators have been really successful in doing that. I want to drive your attention to remote use cases, because in a face-to-face, you can either pay with a dollar, or with a bill, or with your card, and really the convenience is very similar. Or sometimes paying with a bill or with cash is it's more convenient than paying with a card. But that's not the case with remote use cases. In the case of remote use cases, there are huge benefits for our clients, and that's where we should focus our attention, because that creates the more loyalty and the more adoption. The first remote case is payment of utilities and services, typically to the government. Here is very, very important, because we have to adapt and reduce the frictions of doing that payment. We have to make it easy. And there are some providers that have gone even further, providing the balance for whatever you owe to the electricity provider or the water utility. And also to confirm that the payment has gone through and that the payment that you have done has been credited to your account. So that's really, really important for having success there. The second one, which is really important in our countries, particularly Mexico, Central America, the Caribbean, and some of the countries in South America, are digital remittances. We have educated consumers to do cash-to-cash remittances. People inputting cash in the US and people withdrawing cash in Latin America. Now there are new tools to do a full digital card-to-card remittance in Latin America. And that's really convenient, because now people do not need to go somewhere to withdraw all of the money with all of the safety and security concerns that this may bring. Now you can have it in your account in seconds and in a very, very convenient way. It requires a bit of education or re-education of our consumers, but this is one of the ones that is most profitable for the financial institutions and most convenient for our clients. Finally, G2C flows, and that's about pensions and government benefits that people would receive. If we make sure that we are prepared to receive those benefits in the account or card of our customers, these create also great loyalty and usage. Again, the key message here is the past focus has been on acceptance in mom and pop for groceries. Now the focus is on enabling and the customer experience